Good morning to all. This is Sithivanayagan. Today we are going to see the velocity and acceleration diagram of toggle mechanism. So how to draw the toggle mechanism velocity diagram? Let me go to the problem. This is our problem. In the toggle mechanism as shown in figure, the slider D is constrained to move on a horizontal path. The crank OA is rotating in the counterclockwise direction at a speed of 180 rpm. So the dimension of various links as follows: OA equal to 180 mm, CB is equal to 240 mm, AB equal to 360 mm, BD is equal to 540 mm. For the given configuration, find out the first one is velocity of slider D, second one angular velocity of the link AB, CB and BD, and then third one velocity of rubbing on the pin of diameter 30 mm at A and D, and then fourth one, last one, the torque applied to the crank OA for the force of 2 kN at D. Now for the given, we are write out that what all are the given, and then what will be find out, you will list out, and then first of all you won't be able to draw the actual scale with the drawing sheet. This would we would have to convert that value into our sophisticated scale value, like 1 centimeter is equal to 40 mm. I consider that. So due to that, OA equal to 4.5 centimeter, CB is equal to 6 centimeter, AB equal to 9 centimeter, BD is equal to 13.5 centimeter. So before to draw the velocity diagram, we should know the input link velocity. So they are given angular velocity or RPM. In this problem, they are given the speed. So for the input link velocity, for the formula is omega of OA into OE. Omega is the angular velocity of input link. OA is the length of the link. So angular velocity formula is 2 pi by 60. N is the 180 mm. So for that, angular velocity is 18.85 radian per second. So we substitute that into the formula. We got that 3.4 meter per second. Here our considerable value. So I use that direct this value as a centimeter. Why? Because we get the directly centimeter as meter per second of other links. Okay, let me do that velocity diagram. First of all, draw the one horizontal line here one horizontal line, and mark it one point as C. It is a fixed point, and then keep the distance from that line vertically with the horizontal line, offset it or copy that line from here to here as the scale value of 105 from here to here, and then this horizontal line is offset here from here to top with the length of 360. So for the scale value 360 is already we consider that 360 is 9 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. This is a scaled value, and then both are intersected at the point of O point. This O point is from horizontal line to top is 360 mm, that is 9 centimeter. From this point you have to put the protractor, mark the degree 45 degree from the right side to left side, and draw the line with the dimension of OA equal to 3, how much of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, 4.5 centimeter. So draw the one line. So with the dimension of 4.5 centimeter. Here 105 is the 2.6 or 2.7 centimeter kept on from left side to right, and then it will intersect the point O. You mark the line from the right side to left side 45 degree. You kept the length of 4.5 centimeter. That's all. Now next, from the from the A point center, put the compass as the radius of 90 mm. Make the one arc. Okay, the arc is to find out the B point, and then put the center of C kept the value of radius 60 on the compass, cut the arc of already drawn V, radius 90. So we got the point, this point is the B point. Okay, now you draw the line from the A to B and C to B. Now from the center of B, make the value of 135 mm in the compass, make the arc of the horizontal line. We got the slider point D. Okay, now you got the slider D. So now you have completed your configuration diagram. Now we are going to the velocity diagram. To draw the velocity diagram, we need to find out the input velocity. Already find out 18.85. Okay, this is angle velocity 18.85. Velocity is 3.4 centimeter. So I just directly put the value as 3.4 centimeter. So first of all, draw the perpendicular line of OA. Why? Because the link is the velocity is perpendicular with the link. So here the rotation is given by counterclockwise direction. So I put the scale on parallel to, one scale is parallel to the input link and perpendicular scale is downward directions, but it will downward direction. The arrow is upward direction. Why? Because the counterclockwise direction. So first of all, draw the line, mark the fixed point at the bottom. Okay, now I mark the fixed point OC and put the length of 3.4 centimeter and the point is named as A. Now put the scale parallel to one is CB and then draw the perpendicular line with the CB marked up to the, you don't know the length, okay, up to the mark some value, and then put the scale, one scale is parallel to the AB. So from the AB you draw the perpendicular with this A, it will intersect the already you drawn that CB line. So just you got that B. Here the intersecting point is B. Okay. Now named as a B, you measured it with the scale is 0.93 meter per second, and then velocity of CB is equal to 2.75 centimeter value. Just to directly take it as a 2.75 meter per second. Okay. Now the B D is the, put the scale is, one scale is parallel and draw the perpendicular line from the B downward direction. Why? Because slider line is here, so it will be intersect. That's why draw the line is perpendicular with the BD from the B to downward. You draw on that, and then draw the line. Draw the line is parallel to the slider D. Whenever slider is parallel to the slider velocity diagram and acceleration diagram. So the scale is parallel and drawn that parallel diagram. So it will be intersect with point of D. This point is slider D. Okay. Now you completed the velocity diagram. So mark the all velocity values. So velocity of slider D is 2 meter per second. AB is equal to 0.93. And then the BD is equal to 2.4 meter per second. So all are marked out. So now what they want, velocity of slider D is measured 2 meter per second from the velocity diagram, and they are asked velocity, angular velocity of link AB, CB, BD. We know the velocity value. From that, angular velocity of formula is velocity of AB divided by length of the link AB. So 0.93 AB velocity, 0.36 is length. So you got that 2.58 radian per second. So like that, angular velocity of CB is equal to 11.45 radian per second. Angular velocity of BD is equal to 4.4 radian per second. That's how you find out. And then velocity of rubbing on the pin is A and D is the given pin value 30 mm. So it will change it as a radius 15 mm. And then counted meter value 0.015. So relative velocity A is given by angular velocity BC minus angular velocity AB plus angular velocity BD. So you got that relative velocity of pin at A is 13.88 radian per second. So rubbing velocity of pin A is equal to angular velocity and radius of the pin A. So you got already find out 13.8 radian per second into pin value is in converted is radius value is a meter. So 0.015. You got that 0.207 meter per second. This is the rubbing velocity of pin. So rubbing velocity pin at D is angular velocity of BD into radius of D. Already measured 4.37 angular velocity. Substitute here and multiply with the length radius of the pin D, 0.015. We got that 0.065 meter per second. That's how we find out. And then find lastly one is torque applied to the crank OA. That is power input is equal to power output. Power input is the TA into angular velocity. We don't know the TA, so already we know that angular velocity of inputting 18.85. TA, what is the TA? Torque applied to the crank OA in Newton meter. So power output is by the port at the D is force into velocity. Force is already given 2 kilonewton. You converted is a 1000, that is a Newton. We got the 2000 into 2. We got the 4000 Newton meter. So substitute this power input is equal to power output. Here we don't know TA only. 18.5 come right side and then divide that. We got the value of 212.2 Newton meter. So that's all. This is the final. All result, all value are find out. So thank you for joining this video. This is my channel. If you are first in this channel, subscribe me. Further you have in playlist so many velocity diagram is there. Watch that. Any doubt, comment please. Thank you.